steal by Shea Salinas ahead. The flag is down. Wondo! Back of the net! Goal San Jose!
Space for Sam Cronin to reset on the edge of the area. Drifted in, the header is in there by Chris Wondolowski. Lenhart, Wondolowski through the middle, he plays it into the back of Chavez down the right. Chavez puts the ball back. It's Shea Salinas. It is 2-0 San Jose. The substitute is outside. Kosic comes up, Barker hunts it back post. Here's Chris Wondolowski. It is 2 goals to Wondolowski. It is 3 goals for San Jose.
Nice move, Wondo. Wondo! Goal! Chris Wondolowski able to come in and chip it over the top of Joe Cannon. Gordon! Header! Alan Gordon, a diving header at the 6th. Drives one far post. Oh! Goal! Chris Wondolowski on the volley.
Wow. Pace. Marquez now through. Here's Stevenson. Flag stays down, plays it across, and it's finished by Rafael Baca.
Sure sends one to the middle. Headed out. A goal, Corey Stevenson. Ball in the middle. Headed. It's a goal. Simon Dawkins.
Number 2.
Short ball. Stevenson. Wondo. San Jose! Wondo with another goal! His 8th of the year!
Chris Wondolowski, nice cutting ball through. Marvin Chavez turning, looking, played across, Lenhart! A terrific goal in the air, and the Quakes take the lead. Back of the ball. International for Lenhart! Steven Lenhart has another goal!
Moreno is onside. Moreno. Now Lenhart! Tied the match! Card came up behind D-Row and made the play. Moreno to Dawkins. Can Dawkins? Yes to Wondo! Goal! San Jose! Yes! Woo! And Ambi Salini is out. It's in the back of the net. Chavez steps inside. Back post. Wondolowski wide open. Middle. There it is. Alan Gordon charging in at the 6th. Wondo keeps it down. Gordon hit the crossbar. Gordon. Goal San Jose, and Alan Gordon is an animal.
First corner delivered, and it's 2-1.
Yes.
Hernandez, the ball forward, it bounces into the gloves, and Alan Gordon has won it! It's 2 goals to get back in this thing. As Dawkins takes it, there's one of them! Salinas able to keep it in, tries for the cross. Oh, what a great save, but then it goes in the goal.
Wondo. Dangerous opportunity, and Gordon just headed it in. Gordon in behind. Somehow gets through the legs of Winger. Oh, it gets in! It's in!
Chavez with Beitashour outside him, goes for goal, it's there! Lenhart is there! Steven Lenhart! Chavez near post, oh yes! What a response! One win in their last 12 visits here. And now the breakthrough and the equaliser! Sam Cronin! Chavez, oh nice little flag, 4-3! They've come from 2 goals down again against LA, and who else?
Moore again with cross. Palmer takes a deflection, and San Jose has scored. Here, Chavez approach. And there it is, Gordon. Salinas using that speed. Wondo got a boot on it, and then slide it ahead. Wondo, he got a hat trick. Salinas going to get 2 FC Dallas defenders here. There's Chavez hits it first time. Oh! It's an absolute beauty.
Kicks it into the area towards Gordon. Was he shot? It doesn't matter. Still some danger here. Ball whipped in. Gordon! Pencil the ref, not checking his watch yet. Wondo, chest it. Lenny, big drive. There it is! He scores! Stephen Wondo equalizes!
Dawkins! He's got it! Simon Dawkins on a deflection. And there it is! Stephen Lenhart! Dawkins. Simon Dawkins cuts to his shot. Oh, look at the fast feet of Rafael Banca. Gave him some space. And what a finish! Wakes try to quickly attack. Dawkins has it! Second of the night! Sends it out of harm's way. Oh, that ball sent back in. Gordon has some help. Beans gets over the goal, and that is in. Fourth goal of the match by the Christ.
Shoots it. It's a good one. Oh, a save! That must be 40 yards from.
Chris Wondolowski, Dawkins down the centre. Simon Dawkins into the penalty area. Dawkins!
2-0 to San Jose. Corrales kills it. Oh, what a goal! That is absolutely magnificent.
Left corner of the penalty area.
Oh, early free kick taken. It's gone in. It'll count. Corrales again.
Drive through Wondo! He has tied it with a second goal of the match! Classic counter as the ball turns back. Wondo! Gordon! Goal!
The game ain't over until that final whistle blows and the Quakes take advantage of it.
Lenny has tied the match!
Tries to buy some space. Good ball.
Gordon! Lenny has tied the match!
Thrown into the 18, it sits there, and Colorado gets scored on almost immediately. Oh, the cross, the score, Wondolowski. To the 18, boy, Gordon was there, so was Lenhart. Oh, and Wondolowski. Oh, the turn, Wondolowski, the hat trick.
Penalty kick's taken. He nailed it. He's tied the record. Corrales driving it low. It's gone in. It's brilliant for San Jose. It's inviting. It's a miss hit. Oh, Gordon has turned it in.